Namaste everyone. Reading of Kannada Vyanjana Akshara. Ka to Nya. So read this one. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya. Read it again. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya. See, this is Alpa Prana. This is Mahaprana. Alpa Prana has to, you can pronounce it from the mouth only. Mahaprana has to pronounce it from the nabhi. So sound has to come from the stomach. So reading of Kannada Vyanjanakshara with words. Ka inda Kamala, Ka inda Karadi, Ka inda Kadaga. Kha, Kha inda Kharjura, Kha inda Khanda, Kha inda Khadga. Ga, Ga inda Gadiyara, Ga inda Ganapati, Ga inda Garagasa. Gha, Gha inda Ghata, Gha inda Ghante, Gha inda Ghama Ghama. Nya. So these are the 5 first ವ್ಯಂಜನಾಕ್ಷರ. ಅದು ವರ್ಗೀಯ ವ್ಯಂಜನಾಕ್ಷರಗಳು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. So read it in the same way. ವ್ಯಂಜನಾಕ್ಷರ again. ಚ, ಛ, ಜ, ಝ, ಞ. Cha, Alpa Prana. This one is Mahaprana. So reading has to go with the slight difference in the reading. But sounds same. But when you are pronouncing, this Mahaprana has to again come from the stomach only. Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya. Cha inda Charaka. Cha inda Charana. Cha inda Chandra. Cha, ಛ ಇಂದ ಛತ್ರಿ, ಛ ಇಂದ ಛತ್ರ, ಛ ಇಂದ ಛತ್ರಪತಿ. ಜ, ಜ ಇಂದ ಜರಡಿ, ಜ ಇಂದ ಜನ, ಜ ಇಂದ ಜಳಕ. ಝ, ಝ ಇಂದ ಝಂಡ, ಝ ಇಂದ ಝರಿ, ಝ ಇಂದ ಜಣ ಝಣ. ಇನ್ಯ. Do practice in the same way.